Hello everyone, Isaac from County Battery here, and I'm going to show you how we've been using Microsoft SharePoint to create an internal Google for us here at County Battery, so our team members can easily find processes and videos of instructions of how to do things. So we'll come over to SharePoint, and the front of it we have an employee go to search, and if they want to know something about recycling or scrap, they just type that in and it will bring up all of the processes that they may need for scrap. So if we've got a collection with Mitchell's here, if that's what we want to do, then we click here and then it gives us options. We can either scan this QR code, and this is useful to print off if we're making Kamishi bar cards or putting QR codes up throughout the building, or we can just click this 8-step process here, and then that will open up the 8-step process in Publisher. So that is our internal Google. We're constantly adding to this, and all the processes get reviewed by me and then they get uploaded to SharePoint. So I've got a great control over all the processes, and they're easy for everyone to find. If you're new, if you've worked here a long time, regardless, it doesn't matter, you can still access them. So that's SharePoint. Thank you.